Are you wondering how to set up Mailchimp for your local business and take your email marketing to the next level? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to get started with Mailchimp step by step so you can start connecting with your customers and boosting your business. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing some exclusive tips and an extended free trial that you don't want to miss. First thing, you need to sign up for a Mailchimp account. It's super simple and free for beginners, so head over to their website, fill in your basic details, and you're ready to start. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. The second thing is to set up your audience. This is crucial for any local business because your audience will be the heart of your email campaigns. Start by importing any existing customer emails you have. You can do this manually or through an integration with other platforms you might be using, like Shopify or your CRM system. Organize your audience by segmentation. Group customers based on their location, interests, or purchase history. This way, you can send targeted emails that speak directly to them. The third thing you want to do is customize your email templates. Mailchimp offers pre-built templates, so you don't have to worry about designing your emails from scratch. Just choose a template, customize the content with your logo, and add any necessary information like business hours, promotions, or event invitations. The key here is to make sure the design matches your brand's look and feel so that your emails are easily recognizable and engaging. Next thing is to set up your first email campaign. This could be a welcome email for new subscribers or a promotion for an upcoming sale or event. Choose your audience, add your subject line, and start crafting the email content. Mailchimp lets you preview how your email will look on mobile and desktop, so be sure to test it before sending. Once everything looks good, schedule the campaign or send it out immediately. The fifth thing you'll want to do is integrate your sign-up forms into your website. You can add a pop-up form or a simple embedded form to collect email addresses from potential customers visiting your site. You can also add a sign-up form to your social media pages, helping to expand your reach and grow your list organically. The sixth thing you'll need to know is automating your emails. One of Mailchimp's most powerful features is automation. You can set up automated emails like birthday discounts, reminders for abandoned carts, or even regular newsletters. This not only saves you time, but keeps your audience engaged, ensuring that your business stays top of mind. The seventh and final thing you want to do is track your results. After sending out your email campaigns, be sure to check the analytics Mailchimp provides. This will give you insights into open rates, click rates, and how your audience is interacting with your emails. Use this data to refine your future campaigns and make them even more effective. Remember, you can use Mailchimp completely free by signing up through the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got an exclusive extended free trial that gives you even more features to try out for your local business. By now, you should have everything you need to start setting up Mailchimp for your local business and take full advantage of email marketing. Start connecting with your customers, building your audience, and watching your business grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the first link in the description for your exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching.